Ciao dear friends! Today Andy and Alba are going to Alba. I mean, how many times do I get to say that introduction, right? So we travel this time by train from Torino to Alba, which takes about 1 hour and 20 minutes. If you like street markets, the autumn Saturday market is an excellent way to get to know this very friendly and cozy town. And the tip, if you are headed to one of those markets, so make sure to arrive to town well in time before 2 p.m. when the market actually closes. But even after the street market closes, there are still numerous shops and stands with locally produced delicacies.
Vieni qua, Filippo! Vieni qua! No, dai! Sei al gioco però! Ah, non può bere? Il signore non può bere? No, ma poi ti lascio andare, ragazzino! Puoi andare a proseguire! Grazie! Questo alla vostra!
Allora lasciamo.
Tante sì.
Ok, aperto.
Quello è...
Poi volevo... cosa prendo ora? Salami normale.
È tutta produzione vostra?
Cara, anche gli allevamenti.
Ah sì, anche quello? Alba is famous among the truffle connoisseurs. So white and black truffle is sold all over town, and it is the white truffle which is the most exclusive one. And the harvest, of course, depends on the year, and that also impacts the price.
Very delicate. Very delicate. Very nice. Goes well with the Barolo.
Oj, nej nu zoomar jag in. Vänta.
Blaskar.
Och sen kan vi ta...
Du är igång alltså. Ja.
Andy is not a big truffle fan. Andy, what do you think?
It's okay, I like it.
Yeah?
It's okay, yeah.
Not too much?
Not so invasive taste.
But apart from Alba being famous for its truffle, it is also the hometown of Nutella. The company Ferrero needs no closer introduction, and as it is famous all over the world, but it all started in Alba. The Ferrero family, the founders, they built their first and still operating chocolate factory exactly here. It was the perfect spot since apart from the truffles, the region is a great producer of hazelnuts. È tutta la produzione vostra?
Sì.
Cosa vuol dire nocciola DOP?
È l'origine protetta, perché è in una data zona ed è un prodotto specifico del territorio.
Ah sì?
These are enormous.
Alba is eating a very, very small.
In 2022, the Ferrero family donated a beautiful fountain with sculpture to the town square, Piazza Michele Ferrero. In spite of all the people crowds, there is something calm and timeless over the city center and the square being spacious but also cozy, welcoming and people of any age, young and old, and also locals as well as foreigners. We spent a really wonderful day in Alba, tasting different local food and just enjoying walking around and seeing all these people who have come to town to get, but also to create this atmosphere that is definitely sensible there.
Wow. Ja, det är det nog. È vino? Wow.
Ciao Alba, and ciao dear friends. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we would love you to like it and to subscribe to our Italy travel vlog. Lots of love, Alba and Andy.